Hey, it's Ashley, aka Coco-White. So today I will be reviewing Revolution's baking powder. We have orange and we have banana deep. So this is for like my chocolate girls. So if you're like me and you want to know which one works, stay tuned. The Revlon's banana deep on the left side, and then I'm going to use the orange on the right side. Yeah. So this one is going to go for the banana deep, and this one is going to go for the orange. So I'm going to start with the orange first. So I did my foundation, my eyebrows, my concealer already, so I'm just going to start the baking process right now. All right, this is orange. I hope you guys can see it. And now I'm gonna do the banana deep on this side. So the orange is for, like, you know, if you like that orange tone. So can you guys see? Oh, I should do a thumbnail. All right, so this is the orange and this is the banana deep. So I'm gonna start swiping it away. Swiping, wiping, I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna use this clean brush and start doing the orange. I actually don't leave my banana powder on for so long because I don't like to look like a ghost. All right, I think that's good. All right, now I'm gonna use another brush. Oops, this one has. I'm gonna use this one. So yesterday I did use this powder for the first time to try it out. So it still had product on it and I had used a lot. I'm gonna do the flash test as well. But yeah. All right, it's all done. So you guys tell me which side you like. So this is the orange and this is the banana deep. I don't like to look like a ghost. But like, can you even tell the difference? Yes, you can. Maybe I have to change the lighting. All right, so I changed the lighting for you guys. So you tell me which one you like in the comments. Orange side, don't mind my nails. And we have the banana deep. So if you guys are, you know, chocolate and you use the banana one is way lighter. So the banana deep is a little darker. I used to use the banana and it was a little too light for me, so I didn't like it. So this is why I tried out the banana deep. So hopefully this could help, you know, any chocolate girl that's looking for a nice baking powder. I actually like the orange, but then I like this one too. All right, so I just blend out the powder. This is the orange side and this is the banana deep. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and we're gonna see which one looks better. All right, so I contoured. I'm gonna just highlight and finish it all up, and probably put some more lip gloss on.
So I use this highlighter. I have the Thank You one as well, but I don't think I'm using it right. It's like a creamy highlighter. I love it though. I love Fenty products. Like the lip gloss is bomb. That's why I need to learn how to put those ones on.
You can tell this one is like really dark and this one is like really light. But like, which one do you guys like? I normally don't like the orange, but I feel like I did good today. And like, I like the little bright. All right, I'm about to insert the flash test right now. So as you can see, the orange side is not really as flashback. Like, it's not showing ghosts, it's not giving me ghost vibes. So as you can see, the orange, it's not really giving me ghost vibe, but the banana deep is giving me a little ghost. So you can see it right here, look. So it depends how you like it. Kind of like both, I'm not gonna hold you, but like, I'm feeling the orange. But yesterday I had this on and it was giving me life. Don't take no pictures with flash, period, unless you're like far back. But thanks for watching. I'm Ashley, aka Coco-White. You can follow me on Instagram at Coco-White Ash. And I will be uploading way more. I have hair reviews, makeup reviews, all of that. If you have anything that you want me to review, you can put it in the comments. You can like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. By the way, these are not my real eyes. On YouTube, that's gonna review orange or banana deep, but I haven't seen a lot. I probably saw one person. They're doing one of each, but that's why I decided to do both, because I'm like, I YouTube everything. Like, before I'm gonna buy a product, I YouTube it to see the reviews, you know, on my skin complexion, or if I want to buy products on my hair texture. So hopefully this will help someone else out on what powder they should get. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video.